How to start a print-on-demand business in 10 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can start your very own print-on-demand business. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm in Printify, and Printify is a pretty amazing website, and it is a print-on-demand website where you can create pretty much anything you want. So all you have to do is design your logo and just upload it into Printify, and it will take care of everything. So it's going to go ahead and take care of all the production. So you can see we can make t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, hoodies, kids clothing, stickers, phone cases, mugs, posters, candles, bags, pretty much everything. And it's pretty amazing. So you can go ahead and sign up for free. There's no credit card required or anything like that. So click on get started for free to sign up, and then you can just simply go ahead and sign up, and you can use your email or password, or you can continue with one of these socials. I'm going to continue with Google, and then you go ahead and set up your account. So they're going to ask you like questions, tell us about yourself. I'm here to place bulk orders or sell products. I'm going to go with that. And I am new to online, already selling something, whatever, right? So I'm new to selling online. Print on demand is not new to me, so I'm going to go with that. I hope my online business will be the main source of income. And then I would like to describe myself as a NGO, business, content creator, an individual, whatever. And these are some weird questions, but you can't skip them. You could go with the previous, and you can't skip them. There's no skip button. So I'm going to go ahead and, answer all these questions. Catch you guys in a sec. All right, so after answering those questions, you can go ahead and click on great. You can go ahead and get started with creating a product. So you could click on the cross button and go to the dashboard directly and go with there, or you can click over here. So what I'll do is I'll go to the dashboard, give you all of the options. So here is the dashboard. On the left hand side, you'll have all of your main stores. At the top, you have new store. Here you can manage stores, and you can create new stores and connect them with it, like Shopify or Etsy or whatever. You have your catalogs here, so here you can create all of your products. Currently we don't have any products, and here is the catalog, so you can see all the categories and all the types of products that you can create. And then you have my products. Here you will be able to see all the products that you have. You can start creating your products by clicking on start designing. Then you have your orders over here. You have a wallet, insights, and other options as well. So this is your store. Let's go to the dashboard and get started. So set up my store. So here just type in the name, I think, or no, but that's fine. Here you can click on my store and click over here to not connected, and here you can go ahead and get started and connect it with one of these three stores. So you could go with Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, Printify, pop-up, whatever option you want. But for now, we're going to go ahead and click on the product section and create a product. So we're going to click on start designing, and then here you can go ahead and get started. So we're going to explore by myself, and then this is how it looks like. So here you can go ahead and create your product. So on the left hand side, you have your upload section where you can upload your design. You have AI, so you can go ahead and use some of the AI templates or designs that are available. You can go with text options over here, so you can just type in text. So surfing the waves, wholeness, so something like this, right? So we could just use this one and make it bigger, put it here. Remember, this box, make sure that your design is not out of this box. If it is, it'll just look weird and it might not work. So we're going to put it right here in the center and put it over here at the top. So that looks good. And you can go with text over here. You can move it around, up and down. You can change the color of the text. You can also select variants of the text. Like, you can see currently we have white, then we have solid white. Or what if we go with, and this is how it would look like on an ash color, right? So let me go ahead and minus that. And this is how it would look like on silver if you want. So you can go ahead and select whichever colors you want. And yeah, it's as simple as that. So I think, like, you know what, ash looks pretty cool, so we're gonna go with that one. And yeah, we don't need silver, so we'll leave it at that. And we could also use white, or actually solid white blended. Yeah, that looks good. And then click on save product. You can also add graphics, your own elements to it as well, but I think this looks good. And you can also add items on the back side, on the sleeves, on the right side, neck label as well. If you want, you can go ahead and pretty much do anything. And then we have the size over here as well. So I think this looks good. Then we'll click on save product. Boom, now we have a product. Next, you can go ahead and set up your store. And when you click on next, it'll automatically tell you to go ahead and connect your store. So to connect your store, all you have to do is click over here, and then you can connect to Etsy and or other channels if you want. So this is Etsy, how it looks like. We have Printify pop-up, and then we have Squarespace, right? And we can see the most popular one, or click on all to see all of them. So we have Shopify, Printify, Etsy, eBay, Squarespace. If you want to connect to Etsy, go ahead and open up Etsy in another tab. So we are now logged in into Etsy as well. I just created their account, and now we can click on connect. Click on connect. It'll give us a couple of seconds, and then it'll ask us to go ahead and connect it. So go ahead and click on grant access, and boom, you're good to go. So now you can go to Etsy to finish setting up. All right, so click on go to Etsy. So you need to go ahead and complete your account before continuing. So I just kind of created my account. I haven't created it, haven't finished it up. So maybe I need to go ahead and verify my account as well. So yeah, confirm your account. Click over here. We can go ahead and click on your profile, and we can sell everything over here. So we can go ahead and create our profile over here, and we can sell on Etsy, and we can see the Etsy registry over here. So wedding registry, baby registry, gift registry, whatever we have. And this is the sell on Etsy account over here. So you can get started with here and see if you can create a shop. So here you need to do this and click on next, and click on next, start your shop, and now you should be good to go. So shop language over here, shop country over here, and shop currency over here. So we'll go with that, English, and well, it is Asia. And then click on continue, and then here you enter your shop name, and then click on continue, and boom, now you can go ahead and set up your payments over here, and then you can share your billing info, and your shop will be created, right? So pretty cool. It's as simple as that. Then you can just simply go ahead and connect it, and you should be good to go. So it's as simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.